Welcome to Flutter Spark. In this complete beginner guide, you will build your first Flutter app from zero. No experience needed. Follow every step, and you will have a working app on your screen today. First, install Flutter. Go to flutter.dev, download the SDK for Windows, Mac, or Linux. Extract it, and add the bin folder to your system path. Open Terminal and type Flutter Dart. Fix anything marked with a red X. Install Android Studio or VS Code with the Flutter extension. Now create a project. Type Flutter create my_app. Open the folder in VS Code. Every Flutter app starts in lib/main.dart. Inside main.dart you will see void main. Main is the entry point. The first line inside main is run app. Run app takes your root widget and launches the UI. We create a class myApp that extends stateless widget. Stateless widget means this part of the UI does not change by itself. Override the build method. Build must return a widget. We return material app, which gives material design styling. Inside home we put a scaffold. Scaffold is the skeleton of a screen. It has an app bar at the top and body in the middle. We put a center widget with a text widget inside body. Save the file. Connect a phone with USB debugging or start an emulator. Run Flutter run in the terminal. In about a minute you will see hello on your device. Congratulations. You just built your first Flutter app. Subscribe to Flutter Spark for the next lesson where we add buttons and interactivity. Practice this today. Change the text. Change colors. Break things and fix them. That is how you learn. See you in the next video.